Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS because settings and menus differ. Once done, inspect the physical volume buttons and any mute switch for dirt or stuck positions. Make sure you open settings and go to sounds or sound and vibration so you can see the media and call sliders. You want to rule out hardware jamming before changing software. If buttons feel stiff, gently clean edges. Otherwise, proceed to adjust volume sliders to a middling level so you can hear test tones without blasting audio. Now focus on software. You should set media, ringtone, and call volumes around 70 to 80% so tests are audible while safe. Disable Do Not Disturb and any silent or battery saver profiles that limit sound. Make sure app-level volume controls aren't set low, and check Bluetooth routing in case audio is going to headphones or a car instead of the phone. Once adjusted, play a known file or ringtone. Listen for distortion, balance, or dropouts. If audio plays but is low, check equalizer and sound enhancement settings for unwanted attenuation. Finish by restarting the phone to apply settings and retest volumes. Reboot often clears stuck audio services. If the problem persists, run a built-in hardware or factory sound test, or boot to recovery/diagnostic mode if your model supports it. That isolates software versus hardware failure. Make sure to back up important data before deeper interventions. If speaker tests fail or sound remains distorted at all levels, you likely need a physical repair or speaker replacement. Contact an authorized technician and explain the steps you've already taken so they can diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.